Pixies Night Friends. All the animals in the farm were asleep except Pixie the dog. So, Pixie went out to see the nightlife outside the farm. He looked up and saw the moon. It looked beautiful, round and white. A firefly saw Pixie and came down from the treetop. It said, "Hi, I'm a firefly." Pixie smiled and asked, "Will you be my friend?" "Yes, I will," said the firefly. At that very moment, something flew across Pixie and hung topsy-turvy on a tree. "Who are you?" asked Pixie. "I'm a bat," said the bat. "I can see at night." "Can I be your friend?" asked Pixie. "Yes, sure," said the bat. Suddenly, Pixie saw two shining eyes staring at him from a tree. "Who are you?" asked Pixie. "I'm an owl," said the owl. "I hunt at night." "Will you be my friend?" asked Pixie. "Yes, I will," said the owl. And then Pixie heard chirp chirp, and he met the cricket. They all played till Pixie felt sleepy. Back to the farm, Pixie went up to his mom and told about his new friends. Mom said, "Your friends are very nocturnal, but you must sleep at night." Pixie mumbled, "But night is a fantastic place, Mom." Moral of the story: friendship doubles your joys and divides your sorrows.